save some to top the, what are these called? The Bushwacker. Okay, so you won't use all of the, what is this, rum? Oh, I forgot the milk. Okay, so you're supposed to put 1/4 of a cup of milk in there, and I didn't bring it, so I'm just gonna do some extra ice cream. So fun fact, if you forget the milk, you can just put extra ice cream in there. Ah, so good. Oh my god, this is the best drink. It's so good. Can't remember if I already did this part, but today, kids, or I guess adults, today I made Bushwackers. Already made them. I'm gonna drink all of these because they're really small, because these are baby glasses. Now I'm gonna attempt to sit in the hammock and drink my Bushwacker. Oh my god, there's like 4 bugs in here. Now we're good. I'm gonna do it like this.